The man put on his diving suit, jumped into the sea, and entered the habitat of the humpback whales. At this moment, the whales were asleep, their bodies hanging upside down in the water. The man carefully approached one of the whales and attached a recording device to its body. Unexpectedly, the entire whale pod suddenly woke up. They made loud sounds, continuously swaying their bodies and swimming towards the surface. The man immediately realized the danger and quickly threw off the weight on his belt, swimming to the surface at the fastest speed. Fortunately, the whales didn't notice him, and the man safely returned to the yacht. It turned out the man was a zoologist. That day, while studying the ocean, the man discovered that the whale pod, which had been expected in the area, had finally arrived. He quickly packed his things and set off. On the water's surface, the man soon encountered a humpback whale. However, from the whale's gaze, the man noticed something was wrong. Looking closer, he saw that the whale was heading towards a sightseeing boat. The man immediately contacted the boat, but the boat's captain had left the cockpit and didn't receive the message. Whale attack incidents were rare, but zoologists found that all the previous whale attack sites were along their migration routes, so the man inferred that the whales must have been affected during migration. To verify this hypothesis, the man located the whale's resting place and personally went underwater to install a recording device on a whale to find out what had affected them. Soon, he received a signal from the recorder and took the footage back to the lab for research. Following the whale's movements, they discovered a sunken ship, and behind it was something glowing with white light. But no known creature could emit such light, and his friends believed it might be the government's doing. However, the man didn't think so. Recently, many strange events had been happening in the ocean. Soon after the attack on the sightseeing boat, orcas began hunting humans, causing over 100 deaths. Marine life continuously invaded human territories, and a small town was overtaken by crabs. Jellyfish appeared in the city's rivers, and some marine animals even began to mutate. A chef, while preparing lobster, had some strange liquid spray out from inside the lobster. This liquid, which carried a virus, began to spread throughout the city. As of now, dozens of people had died from it. Therefore, the man didn't believe it was the government's doing, as the government wouldn't risk the lives of its civilians. Later, the lab made a new discovery. They found a new type of shellfish. This shellfish reproduced very quickly and had a strange white substance attached to it. This reminded the man of a whale he had previously dissected. The whale had gone mad and attacked a fishing boat. The fisherman had captured and killed it. When the man cut open the whale's brain, he found the same white substance. He speculated that this white substance was affecting the marine life.